Today we're going to be taking a look at the OneTigris Hideout Hammock Underquilt. The OneTigris Hideout Hammock Underquilt is made of a terraline fabric outer shell, a polyester punji lining with a polyester cotton fill. It's 9 foot 2 inches long and 4 foot wide, weighs 2 pounds, fits over most hanging hammocks, and comes in either camo or coyote brown. Hi everyone, I'm Mike and welcome to Outdoor Adventuring Gear. Today I'm going to be giving my first impression of the OneTigris Hideout Hammock Underquilt. Now I'm going to be taking a look at it, opening up on camera, showing you guys exactly what I see as I open it up, and then I'm going to see how it fits under, it's not a OneTigris hammock, I'm going to use it on the Wise Out Outfitters hammock that I have and love so much. I'm even using that tonight in the camp. Don't be jealous. So let's take a look at it and see what's inside. As you can see, OneTigris puts it in this very nice stuff sack. It does have cinch straps all the way around, so you can basically cinch this up tighter if you want to put it in your pack. But we're going to take a look at her today and see what's inside. So let me loosen this one up. I'm going to loosen them all up, honestly. They work well. Pull that out of the way. Open this knot up. I'm hoping this works very well because I want to get into some cold hammock camping, because I enjoyed it so much when I did the that one overnight and I slept so well. So this will take me into another season, not just warmer weather. She is in there. That kind of scares me because whenever a stuff sack is this tight, I don't know if I'll be able to get it back in there. God, why don't they give extra room in stuff sacks? I'm hoping I can get that back in there. So let's see. Okay. Looks very nice. Of course, it's got its emblems on there. She has, as you can see, shock cord on each end with a carabiner. Same here, shock cord, carabiner. Seems to be very nice material. It's chilly out here today. I know this is not really a test, but I'm just going to see. All right, my hand exposed, my hand under. It's warm. You know, I can feel the warmth of my hand heating up, and I don't feel any air. And I don't feel any air blowing through, although this is not a very windy day for that kind of test. So let me go put it on there and see how she does. Let's put this bad boy on our Wise Out Outfitters hammock and see how she does. And then I'll explain everything after I set it up, and then I'll show you guys what it's like when I sit inside. Just like that, she's set up. OneTigris couldn't have made that any simpler if they tried, because when I first unrolled it, I thought maybe for a second that the shock cord came undone. The shock cord's not meant to come undone, guys. Basically, you go down to one end, you can clip it on your existing carabiner or your knot or whatever you have down at that end holding your hammock up. Open it up. Open up the OneTigris underquilt. Basically go along your hammock and then envelope it on the other side, clip it, and basically all it is like a pita pocket. You just put your hammock in the center and clip it on the other end. You don't have to unhook either end of your hammock to do it. Really simple. OneTigris did a great job of showing you how easy it is to set that up. I'm going to get inside. I'm going to make sure this is framed right before I get inside, and then we'll see how it feels. Let's do it. All right, this is inside here. Make sure I got this open right. There it is. Put my big butt in here. I like to start up here. I'm getting to be an experienced hammock guy now. Get inside. I hate doing that with my shoes on, but I'll clean up my hammock before I get done. And I'm in. I'm comfortable, of course. I can feel that the underquilt is close to the hammock. It's not much, but there is enough if I needed to pull it. I just noticed it, that I can adjust it. Look at that. But there's not a lot. And let me see how my butt feels, see if I get a little warm here. Let's see. All right, it's about 35 degrees right now while I'm filming this. I'd say my backside is warmer than my hands being exposed. Yeah, definitely warmer. I don't feel any coolness on my back or on my butt. So as of right now, it works. I'm going to be testing this out soon hopefully before the 4th season ends. But right now, yeah, I could lounge in this today if I wanted to and be comfortable. Yep, matter of fact, if you threw a little blanket on me, a little felt blanket, I'd probably fall asleep. But if I did that, there'd be no video to film. Drat. There you go, my friends. That's my first impression of the OneTigris Hideout Hammock Underquilt. As of right now, I like it. It has an easy setup. It seems quality material. I didn't see any loose threads in the stitching. Seemed warm. Good material on the carabiners and the shock cord. The only thing I'm worried about is getting that back in the stuff sack. It might be a little tight. That's just, it could be due to my inexperience, but I'm going to roll it up tight and see how it does. I might put it at the end of this video, so keep an eye out. And then when I camp with it in the future, I will definitely put a video up showing you or telling you what I think of it, how good it kept me warm, or whether or not I had to get up in the middle of the night, either put something more on my backside, or whether or not I had to sleep on a sleeping pad or something insulated where that didn't cover me well. If that gets me down to around 20 degrees, I will be happy. Let's try, see if we can get it back in that stuff sack. I'm kind of worried. I don't know if it's stuff sacks in me, but please, manufacturers, please put enough room in your stuff sacks. And please forgive the background noise. It seems like today is the day everyone wants to be on the back roads again. So let's go. Basically, I'm just gonna roll it up tight. I hope this proves me wrong. Getting the air out. Because of the form factor of it, it lays flat for you, so it's not hard to do. And if I was in the back country with this, I would just lay it on one of my tarps. All right, that's narrow. I don't see any other way to get that in there. All right. As narrow as I can get it. Now, if I can get it all the way in and just smash the top, and voila, all right. Look at that, guys. It had me worried a little bit at the beginning, but it did go back in there easily. Lay it flat, roll it up, stuff it in, and at the very end of getting it in there, just push it in and cinch the top and you're good. OneTigris, you did good on that one. As always, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate you being here. I appreciate everything my subscribers do. I will talk to you soon. I'm out.